This video will show you how to search Lexis Plus for legislation. To search for legislation, enter your keywords into the search bar. For example, let's search for the Employment Act 2002. The search brings up a page of results. You can narrow down your results by using the filter on the left-hand side. Select Legislation to only show legislation, and select a result to open it. You can use the table of contents on the left-hand side of the page to find a particular section, and there's a notes section at the bottom of the page. This tells you the commencement date, which is the date that the legislation came into law. If there's no date, that legislation isn't in force, so it's important to check. The notes section also tells you if there have been any amendments or repeals. There are over 50,000 amendments to UK legislation every year, so it's important to check what's in force and what isn't. To help you keep track, Lexis uses a traffic light system to colour code legislation as green for in force, yellow for partly in force, and red for not in force. You can check this in the top left-hand side of the screen. This legislation is partly in force. It's highlighted in yellow before the name of the Act. And here's an example of legislation that has been repealed. The text has been replaced with an ellipsis or 3 dots, and the notes underneath tell us that the Act was repealed by a more recent Act. You can view previous versions of the legislation by using the drop-down menu at the top of the page. In this video, we've seen how to search Lexis for legislation and how to check whether legislation is in force. For more help with Lexis or other databases, ask your librarian or visit mmu.ac.uk/library.